Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Cardano at number 1, followed by SHIB Inu, Avalanche, Chainlink, Polkadot, Tron, Bitcoin Cash, Near, and we're ending with Uniswap at number 20. Let's get straight into it. Hey yo bro, BTC. Okay, BTC is in a small little dip, which we are expecting. Anyway, for ADA against BTC, we are, again, the anticipation for the reversal is on. So how much lower are we going to go? We're not too sure. We're expecting ADA to clear this low tip over here. After we sweep these lows, our hope is for ADA to start reversing back up. That is the absolute hope that we have for ADA. So again, where is the bottom? We're not too sure. We are not too sure. If I had to guess, again, pure guessing, around close to 600 or 672, maybe around 6, like I don't know. 601, yeah, about 600. My guess is 600. So if it is 600, then we are not too far away at 672. ADA against USDT. Here we are for ADA. We are hitting the skinny pink line. Okay, this is something which we don't really like because once you break out of the skinny pink line, you should be staying above the skinny pink line, right? As the skinny pink line starts going back up, you want the moving average to be below the price, right? Once the price goes back to the moving average, you'll be like, yeah, I don't really want this. It is not preferable, right? And again, this looks like a bearish continuation towards the downside. So again, I would preach caution for ADA. I don't think it's a good idea to go long at this point of time. SHIB against USDT. Here we are for SHIB. We are again clearly above the skinny pink line. Once you break out, you want the price to stay above, and the price is above, and we are anticipating the possibility of a continuation towards the upside. How much higher? Again, we are not really sure yet. This could still zip a bit lower, but if anything, we're expecting the bullish trend to continue. How much higher? Again, if I have to guess, 7,000. We're only at 2,005 right now, so 2,005 to 7,000 will be another, yeah, close to 190%. So there's still a long way to go for Shiba Inu. I don't think it's done yet. AVAX against BTC. We are here for AVAX BTC, again under the skinny pink line. Not something which we would like. Once you're above the skinny pink line, you should stay above it. Once you're down, yeah, it tends to stay down. The trend is still on uptrend. Yes, nope, come back down. Okay, but we're also open to the possibility of AVAX forming some sort of a squeeze over here as we break higher, right? But this is gonna take several months, a year or two maybe even, before it starts, you know, showing bullish reversals. But at this point of time, I will preach caution for AVAX BTC against USD. Clearly still above the skinny pink line, but this is scary because it looks to me like a head and shoulders, but at the same time we're still above the skinny pink line. So we have to remain with our bullish bias for AVAX and expect this to be a tricky trick. It's not a head and shoulders. More likely than not, we could be continuing higher. Right, until of course we touch the skinny pink line and we start zipping back down, we are anticipating the possibility of AVAX hitting above triple digits. We're only at $37 right now. If BTC continues its trend, we're expecting AVAX to continue its trend as well. And AVAX could just start zipping back up here, consolidate a little bit, continue higher towards triple digits. Chainlink. Oh my god, Sergey, what's happening? Chainlink against BTC. We are down. I don't really like what I'm seeing. Yes, we could be curving back up. But the question we always ask is this the low? Could we still sweep these two lows first? Pew! Before heading back up? Right. So, yeah, this was disappointing. The moment when we crossed under the skinny pink line. But such is life. Such is trading. Link against USD, we're touching the skinny pink line, which is not something which we want to see. But anyway, doesn't mean we can't continue any higher. Just that we need to see something of a higher quality first for Chainlink, but we just don't see it yet at the moment. So I would preach caution about rushing into Chainlink at this point of time. Polkadot. Polkadot is bearish, right? Polkadot has been under the skinny pink line in a bearish trend for a very, very long time. Any signs of a reversal yet? Nope. Dot against USDT. Here we are for Polkadot, touching the skinny pink line. You can see it being reflected here. Just by looking at the BTC pair, you know that your money is better to be put in BTC compared to be, in Polkadot. And this looks to me like a rising wedge. Rising wedges usually break lower. So I would preach caution about jumping into a trade for Polkadot towards the long side. Tron against BTC. Here we are for Tron. Tron is still Looking pretty bearish on the medium term, right? Could we clear these lows for Tron? Sure. Any signs of yeah, no, there's just nothing for Tron BTC. Against USD, Tron is also still above the skinny pink line, but see, it feels to me like it wants to drop lower. Right, look at these mountains. Feels like it's about to cross back under the skinny pink line. So I will preach caution about going long. If anything, you know, I will anticipate a bearish chop pattern, bearish reversal, and then maybe we could take shots for Tron. But as it stands, yeah, Tron is a no-go. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Here we are for Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is marking around the skinny pink line. All we know is that there's a clear resistance line over here. The only thing is we don't know the exact shape of the consolidation. Could we be forming ascending triangles as we break higher? Could we be forming ABCDEs before we break higher? Could we get ABCDEFGH before we break higher? Sure, of course. But as it stands, yeah, it's just incomplete yet. So let's say, for example, you know, it takes up till the end of the year, right? So I think we are about, yeah, 1/3 of the way there. So as time goes by, information will flow in and we will see how the chart is going to look like. After that, you know, this will be summer, June, July, August, September, October. We will see how things look like as we go along. But as it stands, yeah, no, it's just a look and see for now. Near against BTC. Here we are for near. Near is again still above the skinny pink line, which is good. Something that we want to see. And this is against BTC, which means that near is still on an uptrend against BTC. More upside to be expected. How much more upside? If I had to guess, beyond 20,000, which is another 100% towards the upside potentially. Right now we are at 11,000. So as it stands, we're above the skinny pink line. We are still holding up pretty well, strongly against BTC. If you look at near against USDT, you will see it being up as well. No clear signs of a bearish reversal. Could we sweep again? There are clusters of cells here and here. So the whales, there could be some whale shenanigans. Zip down, clear all of these lows, push it back up. Something like this could happen for near. Absolutely possible. Absolutely possible. But of course, we could also just slowly grind our way up. For sure, for sure. But as it stands, yeah, again, I think there's still more upside. I think there is still more upside. How much higher? Yeah, potentially beyond $10. I can't say exactly where, but probably we're going to clear these highs over here, bringing us to $13.50, so probably hitting $14. Right now we're at $7.73, so another yeah, 80% more towards the upside. I would expect significant resistance as we go close to the ATH. So yeah, just a little bit more towards the upside for near protocol. Uniswap, oh my god, Uniswap, what have you been doing? Uniswap against BTC is still under the skinny pink line, just like Polkadot, super bearish. Any signs of life? Yeah, look at this strong rally, right? If you zoom out to the weekly, you see this is a recovery. Zip down, zip up. Hey, the kind of move we want to see. On the monthly, yeah, it's not yet an engulfing. So I still suspect that we may be hanging around here for a little while longer. Still no clear signs of a bullish reversal for Uniswap against BTC yet. Of course, this could already be the very, very bottom. But again, we don't see any high quality bullish reversal for Uni BTC yet. Uni against USD, we are still above the skinny pink line. Yes, we touched it. We didn't slice back down. Sure, we're still above it. Sure, we could still continue higher. We still have our target over here at $25. Again, we say that as long as we don't take out this low right at $4.82, the $25 target is still valid, and we are actually rallying strongly. Kind of a recovery for Uniswap. So $25 is still in the cuts. We are still expecting Uniswap to continue towards 25. So our target still stands for Uniswap. The only thing is we want to see a high quality move so that we can put on a trade for it. Could we maybe retrace towards this noisy area? Maybe you might make a move over here as it goes back up. Or yeah, maybe if it goes higher, then it retraces and forms something of a higher quality first. Again, it depends. It depends. As it stands, yeah, we're still on the lookout for an opportunity for Uniswap towards the long side. We're still buyers bullish for Uniswap. So there you go. All right, boys and girls. I guess that's it for today's top 20. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.